Hey guys, in today's video, I just want to reach out and thank every single person who subscribed to my channel for my first year posting on YouTube. It's been such a wild ride and so excited that I've been able to take that journey with you. When I first started YouTube, I had no clue what I was doing. I had no editing skills, no filming skills with lighting, none of that stuff. I knew my content from being in the finance industry for about 10 years, and I just wanted to share that message with the world. So thank you guys so much. And there's a couple people I really want to thank. Some of my early subscribers, Joey from Unorthodox Savings, Daniel Braun from Daniel Braun Finance and Credit Cards, and more recently, Karina from UBU41, and Leon from Leon Reads. All you guys, I really appreciate you. You guys help keep me going with your constant comments, so thank you so much. Also, I want to thank the VRA fam. You guys have been so great in answering questions and your support with teaching video and all that different stuff. You know, this past year has been crazy. We've gone on hikes together. We've sat in different areas in my house under an apple tree. We've been to the beach. We've been in the woods. So a bunch of different things. And I'm really looking forward to many more years of being on YouTube and helping families learn finance and just helping people in general. So that's what my goal is. That's what I want to do. If you guys have any suggestions, stuff that you want to learn for the future, let me know in the comments below. I'd really love to hear from you. You know, let me know what your favorite video was that I did, any of that stuff. So thank you again so much. I really appreciate all my subscribers, and thank you for one amazing year on YouTube.